vitamins. Examples of vitamins. Yes. Mangoes.
Kumawiki.
And what about cabbages?
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at the fourth importance. It maintains health body weight, prevents obesity and malnutrition by providing appropriate nutrition. I think that is self-explanatory. Let's look at the fifth one. Improve mental health. Good nutrition supports brain functioning, concentration, and mood. So if you take a balanced diet, it will help us to improve our mental health. So the sixth importance, it prevents diseases, like reduce the risk of conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and nutrient deficiencies disorders. Are we together?
Yes.
So the last one, it promotes healthy bones and muscles. Calcium, proteins, and other nutrients help maintain strong bones and muscles. And examples of calcium we have calcium. Yeah. Milk. Yeah, milk. So that's all that I have. Who can any addition under importance of a balanced diet? Addition? Yes, Cynthia?
Actually, it's not an addition, but a question. You said that there's some food that helps in adolescent, and then doctors calcium. So you have to specify in such a way. For example, the men, when they're in adolescence, they need energy-giving foods because wanatumia a lot of energy, while girls need ions because they menstruate.
Okay, thank you for that, Cynthia.
Yeah.
Okay, I also have a question.
You've also told us that the importance of balanced diet, it helps in maintaining healthy body weight. How we should be clarifying more about how does this balanced diet enable one to achieve healthy body weight.
Who can help? Yes, Gertrude.
In maintaining a healthy body weight, eating the right amount of different foods helps prevent being underweight or overweight. It also lowers the risk of obesity.
Thank you. I am happy. Okay. That's all the importance that we have. Let's look at the relationship of nutrients and good health. So, the relationship between nutrients and good health. And remember that nutrients we have carbohydrates, fat, proteins, and many more. So let's look at carbohydrates and good health. In carbohydrates, it helps us supply the body with energy needed for daily activities and growth. This helps children and adolescents grow properly and keeps adults healthy. I think it's self-explanatory. The second point we have, fats provide stored energy and keeps the body warm. So the function of fats is provide stored energy and keep the body warm. They help in absorbing vitamins such as vitamin A, D, and vitamin K. And the third point, proteins and good health. Proteins build and repair tissues. That's the main function of proteins. It build and repair body tissues, and they support growth and strengthen muscles. Are we together?
Yes.
And vitamins, relationship between vitamins and good health. Vitamins protect the body from diseases. Are we together?
Yes.
vitamin protects the body from diseases. They support body process such as vision, immunity, and healing. And the fifth one, we have minerals. Minerals and good health. Minerals helps build strong bones and teeth. They also support blood formation and proper nerve functions. Example of minerals. Minerals. Yes? Minerals. Calcium.
Iodine.
That's all. So another relationship, we have water and good health. Water, it is safe water. Safe water helps in digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. It removes waste from the body. That's all about the relationship between nutrients and good health. Any question or any addition? Sam?
I have a question concerning the vitamins and minerals. Yesterday, our teacher said that we have those nutrients that are required in large quantity and those that are required in small quantity. For example, vitamins and minerals that are required in small quantity, but are still needed or are still important in balance. That why? Mbona zinahitajika kwa kiwango kidogo but bado ni muhimu.
I think like mineral water is help us in digestion of food.
No, minerals sana.
Vitamins. Who can help? Someone?
Yes, Mwalimu, you're talking about the minerals and vitamins. They're required in small quantities and they're essential. Remember that the cells that we are having in our bodies, they require those materials for them to perform their function well. And that is why at times when they are taken in large quantities, they might hamper the action of the cell or the cell function. And that is why they are required in less amount. So they're supposed to be taken in less amount, so that I think that is the range in which they're supposed to be taken in. Those cells will work with the required amount. So kuna amount inatakikana. So even if we eat much, there is that quantity that is required by the cells for them to perform their function well. That is my take. Unaweza kuwa umekula matunda yote, but utapata quantity inatumika kwa hiyo matunda ni kidogo tu. Mwili inataka tu kidogo yake. So the cell has a certain capacity for it to function well. It's like salt. When we eat salt, much of this salt, you'll find that it's likely to harm us. And that is why we wanasema in our body fluids that mlifanya high school, when you're fanya bio, the body fluids, our body fluid is isotonic. I say ilikuwa hypertonic, I say ilikuwa hypotonic. Means that it will make the cells to maybe release water from the cell or make the cell gain a lot of water and it will burst. So there is that range in which the solution should be for them to function well, for the body activities to go on. I don't know kama umenipata kidogo ama.
But
Let's go to our So we are going to look at prevention of nutritional deficiencies. In nutritional deficiencies, we have kwashiorkor, marasmus, any nutritional deficiencies. Yes. Huh? Come on. Rickets, goiter, anemia, scurvy, beriberi. That's all. So, prevention of nutritional deficiency, our first point was eat balanced diet. Include food from all major food groups, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and fiber. So if you eat a balanced diet, it helps us to prevent nutritional deficiencies. And number two, we have consume nutrients-rich food. Iron, leafy vegetables, calcium, for example, milk, vitamins, carrots and mangoes, and vitamin C, citrus fruits, and vitamin D, sunlight exposure. If you do these all things, it will help you to prevent nutritional deficiencies. And number 3, learn about healthy food choices and recommended dietary practices. So let's go to the point 4. Proper food preparation. Wash foods hygienically. Avoid overcooking vegetables to reduce nutrient loss. I have a question there. Reason why should I avoid overcooking vegetables? Reason why you are not allowed to overcook vegetables? Yes, sir. The nutrients will get lost. That's all. So the 5th point, use fortified foods and supplements. Consume fortified foods like iodized salt, fortified flour and milk. Take as supplements only when recommended by health professionals. That's all our presentation. Any addition? Any addition? What's the difference between malnutrition and nutritional deficiency? What's the difference between malnutrition and nutritional deficiency? Who can help?
Malnutrition, this is where you take food with nutrients in that is not in the right amount. For example, there is undernutrition and overnutrition. So I think this is taking okay. Malnutrition, this is where you take food with nutrients in amount that is not in the correct amount. Okay, for example, there is overnutrition and undernutrition. So you understand those terms? Then deficiency diseases, this is where you take undernutrition. The food does not contain, it may lack one or more essential nutrients needed for the body.
Okay, thank you for that. I think we are okay.
I think when you talk about mwalimu, you've got someone kuna kitu malnutrition. Tukisema malnutrition, is it only deficiency diseases we are looking at? Malnutrition, it can either be excess or less intake. So obesity inaweza kufall pale, hypertension can fall pale. At the same time, deficiency disease can come. So when we take less or more, malnutrition. But when you talk about deficiency diseases, these are diseases that result when we take nutrients that are not adequate. Inadequate intake of nutrients will lead to the diseases. But when you talk about malnutrition, there are two forms. It can either be overnourishment or undernourishment. You're taking excess of certain nutrients, or you're taking less of certain nutrients. Under malnutrition.
Okay, thank you for that. So as I conclude, good nutrients is essential for growth and health, and every nutrient has a unique role in the body. Balanced diets help prevent nutritional deficiencies and diseases, and healthy eating leads to healthier and more productive life. That's all.
We give them a clap.